Hi, it's Chris here from Pipe.Repair. Today we're going to be showing you how to drill through a 45 junction that's been lined through. We're going to be using our new straightener tool. Now this prevents the hole saw from moving or deflecting across and potentially drilling out the side of the pipe or at the bottom of the pipe, which is very common with PVC pipes, not so much with your terracotta cast iron, but definitely with your PVC. So unfortunately we do see that a lot. So an example here is where the hole saw has gone through the side, and it's absolutely chewed right through the PVC. Now that's the last thing we want to happen on site, which is why we're using the straightening tool. Now we've got our rigid CCTV camera set up from the other side, so you'll be able to see the footage of the hole saw going through. Another thing you do want to be aware of is you can attach your own hole saw. Now we've used these are a tile cutting hole saw. They're about half the weight of a standard hole saw, which also is important because it stops it from wanting to deflect down or up. But it's a really personal preference. So we're going to put that straight into the branch here. Okay, so we can feel that we've hit the back. So we want to get that spinning prior to entering in, and then we just want to slowly just guide it through and let it sort of cut its own way through. If possible, you want to have your camera set up at the other end so you can actually see what's going on. It's not always possible, but if it is, we definitely recommend doing it. Let's give it a go. And there you have it, we're through. So we've got our cut piece of liner there, which is now ready for us to put our sandpaper attachment down and open that right up.